Hello, this is Dr. Vipul Rastogi. I'm a consultant neuropsychiatrist at Medanta Hospital. Today we are going to talk about bipolar disorder. Bipolar affective disorder is a very common mental illness and occurs in about 1% of population. There are several aspects to a bipolar disorder. As the name suggests, it is a disorder of two poles. One pole is the depressive phases, the other pole is people when they become hyperexcitable. The hyperexcitable phase troubles people more, as people can have increased talking, increased spending, impulsivity, lack of sleep, and sometimes they can have irrelevant talk and behaviors, including very high self-esteem and sometimes hearing voices and feeling that somebody might be coming to harm them. The depressive phases are more readily recognizable, and the idea is to seek treatment quickly so that the symptoms can be solved very fast. Usually bipolar people achieve much more in life because of extra thoughts, but there are some people whose life might be severely affected by bipolar disorder. Generally speaking, bipolar disorder we control, there is no permanent cure for it, and the treatment for it remains largely the mood stabilizer type of medication. There are several mood stabilizers that are used. The right medication can be decided between you and your doctor, and this is done this consideration is done by looking at the side effects and the patient profile. Generally, if the parents have a bipolar disorder, the chances in the children are double, and it's usually the prevalence rate is about 1% in the general population. For some people, there is also a scope of using psychotherapy when they have mild symptoms, but if the symptoms are severe, then largely we have to use the medication. Other causes for bipolar disorder can be stress, it could be substance misuse, it could be certain other medications like steroids or some sort of anti-cancer drugs which can cause the mood to fluctuate. The treatment is generally long, lasting between 1 to 2 years, and for some people it might be lifelong. This is very much treatable disorder, and the problem lies when people do not seek help. So if you feel that you are having a lot of mood swings which are sustained, which means they are in all aspects of your life, please do seek help and speak to your doctor, who might be able to advise you and guide you correctly. Having said this, apart from medication and psychotherapy, lifestyle changes like giving up alcohol, smoking, and regular exercise will definitely help, as they help in reducing the stress. Thank you.